here's our midday point. Guys are making great progress. Roof's loaded up. Shingles going on. The weather's holding out nice. Colonial slate landmarks. Lady's got all the trash, heavy trash picked up. Yarborough Construction got us a can out here early. We had some mechanical issues with the dump truck, but big thanks to Chip and Charles for getting that out here for us early. Some of these development neighborhoods can be a little bit of a challenge. There's not a lot of working room, but the guys are just killing it as usual. Keeping things clean is so important. Just makes it safer and easier on everybody. That's what you should expect from a roofing project. I'll keep you posted with updates. Thank you so much for watching.